In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Jasmy coin step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com using your Binance account. And the second step is to choose any of these payment options to buy BUSD. Now, these payment options will differ according to your currencies. Now, for example, I want to choose USD and this will show on your screen. But since I'm in Philippines, I will choose PHP. And among these payment options, I will just focus on P2P trading. But if you want to choose credit or debit card, cash balance, and third-party payment, I will show you how to buy BUSD using any of these payment options. For example, if you want to choose credit or debit card, let's say you want to spend 10,000 PHP and I will receive, for example, for example, if you want to choose to buy BUSD using your credit card or debit card, for example, I want to spend 10,000 PHP and I will receive 178.81 BUSD. Let's click continue. And then you're gonna need to add your bank card here. And you just need to fill up this information and you're good to go. As for the cash balance, if you want to use cash balance to buy BUSD, you can type the amount of euro you want to spend, but there's no USD here. So you can select any of these currencies to buy BUSD. As for the third party payment, you can type the amount here and you can pay with Google Pay, Simplex, or Banksa. Now, let's focus on P2P trading. Now here you can see here the BUSD. Just click here and you can type the amount of PHP you want to spend here, your fiat, your payment. There are a lot of payment options here. And as for the available region, you can choose any region, but I'm just gonna leave it just like this. Now you can click buy BUSD here and then type the amount you want to pay. Once you have bought BUSD, make sure that your BUSD is in fiat and spot and not in funding. Once you have confirmed that your BUSD is in fiat and spot, you can now on the search bar here type down Jasmy, then click trade, and then it will lead you to this website. Scroll down here, then you can type the amount of BUSD you want to trade. For example, I want to type 50 BUSD, and then I will receive this equivalent amount. But you can click auto subscribe, so when Jasmy coin is up again, you can subscribe automatically. For now, let's click check here. In here, you can type the amount of Jasmy you want to subscribe, and as you can see, we have here the estimated APR of 0.5% and the estimated interest. For example, I want to type 5,000 Jasmy. Then you can see here the estimated interest Jasmy per day. And above here, you can see the interest distribution date. And now once you have typed the amount of Jasmy you want to subscribe, click here, then click subscribe. But as you can see, it is already sold out. Once you have typed the amount of Jasmy you want to subscribe, click here, then click subscribe. If you have any questions about how to stake Jasmy, leave a comment below.